Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author and the artist of many books on how to draw everything from anime to cartoons and figure drawing. Here's my newest one, just came out, Drawing Anime from Simple Shapes. Character design, basics for all ages. I hope you'll like it. Today, I'm going to show you how to draw this guy, this sort of fighter pilot, kind of a cool character. And I'm going to give you some specific hints that I think will help you. We're going to do a 3/4 view of this guy. We start off with pencil, and I'll go over it a little more darkly afterwards. Instead of drawing a regular shape for a head, like an egg, we're starting with the side being flat. Can you see that? The side is kind of flat from here, and we're going to mold it as we go. So we'll build out, it's like an egg and a half an egg. Leaves you wanting the entire egg. Anyway, so I'm going to build out the back of the head here. And I'll bring the jawline in. The jawline is short, but kind of on a diagonal. And bring it around to the tip of the chin. Now in anime, as you probably know, the chins are often kind of recessed and pointy. So we're not going to have this kind of square chin. Right here at the cheek, we're going to bring it in here. So it tapers, just like that. See, we're already starting to see it. Here's the back of the head, and we'll bring that neck down here. Think of not a thick neck, but not a tiny neck either. He's a kind of a cool character, a fighter pilot, so he's got something to him here. And here is the eye line going across. And the back of the head, this part of the cranium, does come down pretty far. It comes down below the ear. And now we're going to slope this a little bit, just gently, and come in right here, come in and out. And that's because the eye socket goes in and then the cheekbone goes out. So it's just following the actual skull. We don't have to spend much time defining the rest of the head because he's going to have hair. Okay, let's bring this down. It's the center line. It bisects the head in a 3/4 view and goes right down to the tip of the chin, like so and so. And I think I will actually taper that a little more, make it a little more extreme. There we go. Now for this guy, we're going to have a horizontal eye, kind of flat eye. Not too close to the bridge of the nose. Make it long and slender. So we work on the top and bottom eyelids, like that. And this eye will face us. It'll be submerged a little bit into the upper eyelid. You see that? The upper eyelid is submerged a little like so. And we'll bring a little bit of it up here. Slash it down this way. All eyes do that, because that goes down to the tear duct. So it doesn't stay straight, it goes down. And we'll give a little bit of a shine on one side. And we'll add a small pupil over here. And just light gray over here. So it gets that kind of anime glow right there. Good. A tiny little fold right here. Not the same size or the same length as the regular eyelid like this, but still it adds a little something. And a slashing thin eyebrow across this way. Okay, so we've taken care of one eye. Now here's the bridge of the nose, right where the eye is. We're going to build this out a little bit, not too far, and then we'll have that come down like a ski slope like that, right? That's good. Now a little bit of a smile, just a touch. Just a little bit with the upper lip, only the upper lip. Leave the bottom lip alone, it doesn't need it for the bottom lip. Bottom lip is just for a shadow. No real shape to it, just a little bit of shadow to make the upper lip look like it has some depth. And we'll bring the other eyelid not exactly across because he's facing this way. A little down, a little over. So I'll have to make the other eyebrow, sorry, not eyelid, eyebrow just a little lower. You see that? And that's good because we are going to make this patch of some size, like that. And we'll sketch that in. Now again, I'm going to just make this, see I have all that face. I want to make it a little bit less. You can keep at it, keep making some changes till it's exactly the way you want it. You are the artist. You get to decide. You like it, you don't like it, you want to change it, then change it. And I'm going to bring this in a little more. And if I bring that in, I think I might want to bring this out just a touch. So these little changes are important. But this has still the same diagonal, like that. So let's give him an ear, like so. It goes over that jaw. It overlaps that jaw. And kind of a simplified ear with just this little lid right here and a flap over here. Now we'll bring the hair out. Let's say this is the part. We have to pick a place from where it goes. It goes this way and this way. So it could be here, here, but we'll put it in the back right here. So right here. And we will bring this up. A little bit of errant strands like that, some strands. And bring this out lightly. So we're going to bring it out like this. So some spiky hair, but kind of loose and like that. As a matter of fact, I think I'll make that even taller, just to kind of exaggerate it. That's better. And now here, a little bit of a cut right there in front of the ear. And I'll bring this over the forehead, like this. And some shadow right here. I'm going to narrow this down just a touch. Good. Now we'll give him that bomber jacket look. And we're going to shade the back part. Here comes the shoulder and the rest. You know what? We don't even really need to add the black. I think that this works. It's not all that sketchy, so you can see what's going on. No, we'll erase the underlying construction. I'll bring this out a little bit. Like that. And okay, so here is the Bomber Jacket Guide Jet Pilot. Well, thanks for coming and for taking a look. Let me share this with you. Oh, I'm going to build this out a touch before I sign off. I just want to build that out a little bit. Yeah, a little rounder. Good. Thanks for coming. I'm glad you were here. I have new videos every week, so please subscribe and send me a comment. I love to respond. Thanks again. Bye-bye.